To find the Phantom Wallet mobile app, start by opening the App Store on your mobile device. If you have an iPhone, this will be the Apple App Store. And if you have an Android device, it will be the Google Play Store. Once you are in the App Store, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Phantom Wallet. As you type, you will see a list of search results appear below the search bar. Look for the official Phantom Wallet app, which should have the Phantom logo and be developed by Phantom. Tap on the Phantom Wallet app to open its page in the App Store. Here you will see more information about the app, including its description, ratings, and reviews. Make sure to read the description and reviews to ensure that this is the official app and to get an idea of its features and any potential issues. If you are satisfied that this is the correct app, tap the Get or Install button to download and install the Phantom Wallet app on your device. You may be prompted to enter your password or use fingerprint or face recognition to authenticate the download. Once the app is installed, you can open it and start using it to manage your cryptocurrency and NFTs. Phantom Wallet is a popular choice for users of the Solana blockchain, and it offers a range of features and tools to help you buy, sell, and store your digital assets. When using the Phantom Wallet app, make sure to follow best practices for security, such as enabling two-factor authentication and keeping your seed phrase safe. This will help to protect your assets and prevent unauthorized access to your wallet. By following these steps, you should be able to find and install the Phantom Wallet mobile app and start using it to manage your digital assets. If you have any issues or concerns, you can visit the Phantom website or contact their support team for help.